Authorizing a purchase requisition note before generating a purchase order ensures proper approval, budget control, prevents redundant purchases, and provides an audit trail. Authorization is required for high-value, sensitive, or budget-dependent items, departmental requests, and situations where approval workflows apply. To authorize the purchase requisition note, follow these steps. Navigate to the Procurement module and select the Purchase Requisition Note panel. You will be redirected to a new window. Here, you can adjust the dates to access the purchase requisition notes within a specific time frame and then click on View. If your list is long, you can use the search bar to quickly find and select the requisition note. Then, click on the Purchase Requisition Note Items button. In the subsequent window, the service provider in charge can adjust the items as needed. For example, they can add more items to the list by selecting the item type. In the item name field, they can use the search bar to find and select the item they wish. The system will automatically fill in the unit cost VAT inclusive and VAT type based on the item registration. However, you can still edit the unit cost if needed. Enter the quantity ordered to specify how many units of the item are required. The quantity received field will be auto-filled based on the quantity ordered, or it can be updated manually if only part of the order is received once the purchase is processed. Then click on the plus button to save your entries. Please note that you can add more items as needed. Additionally, you can edit item quantities and prices by selecting the relevant fields, such as the unit cost and quantity ordered, and making adjustments based on your requirements. Then click Update. This allows for flexibility in managing procurement and ensures that all details are accurate before finalizing the requisition. You can also remove an item that was added by mistake by simply right-clicking on the item and selecting Delete from the menu. In the prompt that appears, confirm by selecting OK. To authorize the purchase requisition note, click on the Authorize PRN button. This action ensures validation, accountability, and control by approving item requests before procurement, preventing errors and unauthorized purchases. After authorizing the purchase requisition note, proceed to generate a purchase order by clicking on the Generate Purchase Order button. Generating a purchase order after authorizing a PRN ensures official confirmation of the requisition, clear communication with suppliers, accurate documentation, and timely procurement. It also maintains control over authorized purchases and streamlines the procurement process. Confirm by selecting OK in the prompt that appears. In the window that pops up, select the supplier. You can use the search bar to easily find and select the supplier. Adjust the validity date as needed to set a time frame within which the purchase order remains valid, ensuring timely delivery and avoiding delays. Lastly, the order reference field allows you to input a unique identifier for the purchase order, facilitating easy tracking and record-keeping in both the organization's and the supplier's systems. Then click on Generate Purchase Order to successfully generate the purchase order.